Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Throat pain can be a discomforting experience, interfering with your ability to eat, speak, or even swallow. However, there are several effective strategies you can employ to alleviate throat pain and promote a speedy recovery. This script will guide you through the process of getting rid of throat pain. Step 1. Rest your voice. The first step in relieving throat pain is to rest your voice. Talking or whispering strains your vocal cords, and because of that, you can feel discomfort. What you can do is find a quiet place and a peaceful environment. And number 2, you can avoid speaking or whispering unnecessarily. And number 3, you can use alternative means of communication such as writing or texting. Number 2 is to stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is crucial for soothing a sore throat. Drinking plenty of fluids help keep your throat moist and can provide relief. What you can do is number 1, drink lukewarm water throughout the day, and number 2, avoid excessive caffeine or soft drinks intake as they can dehydrate you further. Number 3, consider gargling with warm salt water, half a teaspoon of salt in 1 cup of warm water several times a day to reduce inflammation. Step number 3, soothe with warm liquids. Warm liquids can help alleviate the throat pain and provide a soothing effect. What you can do is number 1, sip on warm herbal teas such as chamomile or ginger tea. And you can also add honey or lemon to your tea for additional throat coating and soothing properties. And number 2, you can avoid hot liquids as they can further irritate your throat. Step number 4, utilize over-the-counter remedies. Over-the-counter remedies can provide temporary relief from the throat pain and inflammation. What you can do is use cough drops to soothe your throat. Number 2, you can look for products containing menthol or honey as they can have a cooling or numbing effect. Number 3, follow the instructions on the packaging for dosage and frequency. Step number 5, humidify the air. Dry air can worsen throat pain, so humidifying the air in your environment can help alleviate discomfort. What you can do is use a humidifier or vaporizer to add moisture to the air and keep the humidity level between 40% and 60%. If you don't have a humidifier, take a hot shower or inhale steam from a bowl of hot water to moisturize your throat. By following these steps, you can effectively alleviate your throat pain and promote the healing. Remember to rest your voice, stay hydrated, utilize warm liquids, and over-the-counter remedies, humidifiers, when necessary. If your throat pains persists or worsens despite these measures, it is advisable to seek medical advice from a healthcare professional. Take care of your throat and regain your comfort and well-being soon. Bye.